Okay, phone call came in for a job after we're interrupted. Let's get back to where I left off. That line, I'm gonna get back to it again. That line, silver one in the middle, you probably could barely see a little bit of the black clip. That clip is brittle, it's fragile, it breaks very easy, and if you try to reuse it, you might get lucky. You try to reuse it and you get unlucky, you will lose the full charge of 610 grams, and somebody is not going to be happy. One, the customer, yourself as the technician who did the job, because you got to do it a second time, and if you're on a bonus program, you just lost your ass. Your boss, because he just paid $150 a pound loss, and he's doing it a second time because the whole refrigerant charge blew out. OEM condensers from Toyota come with that little clip, and they come with a bag with brand new O-rings so you don't have leaks. Aftermarket condensers do not come with that little clip, and they do not come with new O-rings. So if you have leaks because you don't change O-rings, that's your own fault. If you do business as a shop with insurance companies and you listen to them and say put in aftermarket because it's $100 cheaper, something like that, that's fine. If you made a deal with the devil and you get down on your knees to swallow the insurance company's gobbledygoo because that's how you want to make money, fine, do it. But when you lose, don't cry. I'll play a little violin for you if you do. And so, aftermarket condensers do not come with that clip, do not come with O-rings. OEM condenser comes with O-rings, comes with that clip. I'm getting too many of these coming back in shops, and too many crying and whining sad stories about putting in aftermarket condensers. Customers, you got to understand, if you bring a car into a body shop, your insurance company, if they're a direct repair, sometimes require them to put on aftermarket condensers. It's not always the body shop's fault. It's your insurance company. Be easy on your body shop if they're under the gun and they're a direct repair and they're ordered to put on a aftermarket condenser, or radiators cause problems, or any part. Not all aftermarket parts are bad. Some are actually even sometimes better than OEM. Not too often, but it happens. But ease off on your body shop if you have an aftermarket part, because they were instructed to put an aftermarket part by your body shop, by your insurance company that you signed a contract with, that you pay your monthly dues to. But in this case, I'm getting a whole lot of comebacks on these little clips breaking because they went into a shop, replaced the condenser, got an aftermarket, stuck it in there. The clip was a little damaged or fractured and it blows out later on, or it cracked halfway when the technician was putting it back in. I'm putting this out there because this is now happening too much. It's happening over and over. Stay away from the aftermarket condensers on the Toyotas with that little clip. Or you better know to order it separately, order O-rings separately, which guys don't know, and always want to blame it on the aftermarket supplier, saying, what, they don't come with O-rings, they don't come with that new little clip. Sorry, they don't. It was like that way when my grandfather's day, and my dad's day, in my day, and now my son is doing it in my son's time. It hasn't changed. Educate yourself, do the right thing, get OEM. Stay away from the aftermarket in this situation, because it will cost you a whole lot of money to do 600 grams of YF refrigerant all over again, plus the labor. That's all. Video out.